Hi, hello here. I have a question for you guys real quick. Do you think YouTube is deleting creators' independent promo? Or maybe the AI? Check this out. You tell me, this is the YouTube video. You see the exact time. This is the video that I published on YouTube. I'm gonna hit play and watch this. I put the watch down. Okay, that's the screen that's on the video, and boom, I have the books. I have all this promo that I was stating that I'm gonna have future videos and to subscribe and you don't want to miss it and other things that I was saying, right? I notice it's the same table, same everything. I got all this promo, and it's gonna go to the next clip. Let's see. This is going on pretty long. Let's keep going. It's not too long. And I'm actually, okay, so this is the part where the box, okay. Now, this is YouTube. I put it down. Hello? Anybody there? Where is my promo? Is it still going? Oh, there I am. Look at that. Where's all the promo? And it's funny because this video is 10:33 and this one, if you go big, it's, I'll say around 10:50 mark. I don't know how to, oh, it's 11 minutes. I don't really, when I did it, I didn't really count the, see where the audio stops. I actually counted it right after the audio stops, so around 10:50, but still 10:55, 11 to 10:33. So do you think YouTube's AI is cropping out promo? Check this out. Okay, so this is my original. This is, where is this? Okay, this is the 7:33. This is the stats for the last video that I just showed. Oh wow, look at that. Promote, of all things, fairness, and it. Are you serious? This number right here, where is that? Where's my arrow? This number right there, that was higher last time. It was at around 480, so that means I get around 500 videos. 500 views usually my first day, right? It's a smaller channel. Now check this out. What does that say? Exactly 500 views 10 days ago. So that means this video, that means whatever happened, started happening the day after this video was posted. That was 9 days ago. I don't know, you tell me. And you think, okay, well, what that little snippet, would that have helped or hurt your video? I'm not saying it would have any way or another. What I'm saying is, it's gotten to the point with this AI stuff or whatever Google's doing that is even affecting smaller channels like mine. And it's just something to look out for. So, but if you want more videos like this or follow up, leave in the comments, and also we'll be available to actually answer any questions that you have. All right, and sub to this channel. We got a lot more coming up. Season 2. Don't want to miss it. All right, peace.